Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel Classes with me. We have correlated in part 1, grouped in part 2 and ranked in part 3. Now in part 4 of our scatter plot advanced series in Python visualization playlist, we will customize those plot to make them kind of professional level. This ties everything together for shareable insights. If you missed the earlier parts, start from part 1 for full context and subscribe to catch more series like this. Let's make our data visuals pop out of your screen. Pulling from our data set in part 1, averages in part 2 and ranking in part 3, we are enhancing those same plots here with custom touches. So it's customization time. We have used palettes like Virdes and Cool Warm, and actually I have written a wrong spelling at the previous video. It was WORM. I have given WARM and right now it's working properly. So those colors are color map used for visual appeal. For labels, we have used bar label which adds values like this one, which adds values like sales amount, employee name, all those things. As in part 3, you can go and check out my video. Always, always make sure, like when you work in a professional field, either in corporate sector or in freelance sector, always make sure to use all these things like title, X label, Y label and all those things. Right now, like I have used here, just for a small part also I have used all those things. Make sure to use this so that your visual will look proper and professional level. But let me tell you one thing, like here we have only 5 datas, like 5 names are there. Suppose in some bar plot kind of graph we have 50 or 100, like top 100, top 50 employees. At that time it will create a hodgepodge here. Okay, at that time it will create a, you know what, hodgepodge here like this names. For that, either we can use 90% of rotation, means Charlie will be written like this, Eve like this, Frank like this, Alice like this, or mostly what we have used, like mostly what corporate people use, they use either 90% or either 45% rotation to make sure the name is in a slanting phase and space is also allocated to each and every employee in the bar plot. For that we need plt.xticks and we need rotation equal to 45, but this will work with some library function. Like let me show you how. You just copy it, click enter, paste, and just take this, paste it, and let's run it. What we can see, let's do one bit. Yeah, what we can see, the names, these are already in 45 degrees. So when we apply this to our bar plot from part 3 or scatter plot from part 1, this things will happen, means this kind of visualization things will happen. And this tweaks using library function turns basic plot into polished reports, highlighting trends from the earlier parts. And that's the series wrap. You have got correlation, groups, ranking, and custom visuals all connected. Revisit the playlist for a binge, like, subscribe, and comment what you will analyze next. Thanks for watching, and more modules coming soon. Till then, bye bye, take care, happy coding, and happy learning.